Hello student, I hope your preparation is going good. As you all are aware of that, I have received frequently many questions related to the made easy free video lectures. What was the method, how we can approach for the free subscription? These questions are asked on a daily basis. I have received more than 20 comments either on Telegram group or on a personal or on a comment through YouTube channel. And I also I also make a video what was the UPSC E analysis. I hope you all are appear this examination. These examinations conducted yesterday itself, and if you already appear this examination, I'll make short video analysis based on the student review. And going ahead for the MADEEASY video lecture, these video lectures are the paid video lecture. MADEEASY does not provide any of the subscription for the free. Last year in a COVID, they will release this offer for the few months, like 1 to 2 months, for those candidate who is new in that like role of prime subscription or certain amount like 60 to 70,000. They will provide a 2-month free subscription for all of those courses which are in summary basis, like they are a crash course, like that they will provide the whole subject, not for the full lectures. If you want to subscribe any of the full lecture of MADEEASY, you need to pay the amount. Instead of that, I will recommend that you need to go on Unacademy. Any of the faculty of MADEEASY had definitely like left the organization of MADEEASY and joined for the Unacademy, like Gil sir as well as SK Mondal sir, Akash, and many of the faculty from the MADEEASY has left and joined Unacademy. If you want to get the free video lecture, definitely you need to go. And all of the video lecture, all of the lecture in a series, they are not uploaded, but in a frequently sub part of that particular video lecture, they will available either on YouTube or Unacademy free platform. So you at least go with the sub part and collect a few of the portion from that faculty and few of the portion for the another faculty, so that you will get the idea how you can approach. If you are new and do not started any of the subject, I would not recommend to those candidates to go with that type of lecture. If you have already prepared and you need to revise that, then definitely go with the free subscription which is available on YouTube. There are multiple YouTube channel which is available, and do not hesitate to go on Unacademy app, because if you have uses both the application along with the YouTube channel with a different YouTube channel, because they are trying to move faculty from one YouTube channel to the another YouTube channel, and if you do not follow that, then definitely you will not able to fetch the actual video lecture in a series. Sometimes they will provide a 3 lecture like few of the like heat transfer first conduction in first YouTube channel, and they have opened some new others YouTube channel, and they will provide the second part and third part over there, the like conduction, convection and radiation and heat exchanger they will put over there. So for a new candidate, they are not able to search that particular channel. So in such a situation, you need to okay with the both the channel, you need to follow that, so that you will get the idea how you can get the free subscription lecture of SK Mundal along with the like Gil sir as well as Akash sir, and many more faculty are there. For those who are want to MADEEASY, do not focus on any of the faculty, focus on the content. I would recommend that. So I hope you will get a clear picture how you can approach the free subscription of any of the faculty on MADEEASY, either on Unacademy or any other faculty of mechanical engineering. I hope this video are helpful. If you think, then do like and share with a friend and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.